In a universe filled with dead matter, what does it mean to cherish life? Today, we delve into one of the most profound paradoxes. While scientists tirelessly search the cosmos for signs of life, from the simplest single-celled organisms to complex multicellular beings sheer on Earth, we often overlook the very essence of existence in our own backyard. Join me as we explore the intricate tapestry of life that has evolved over billions of years, and the stark reality that every life, no matter how small, represents a unique lineage interwoven within the fabric of the universe. Every living organism today carries with it the unbroken lineage of its ancestors, tracing back to the very origin of life approximately 3.5 to 4 billion years ago. This concept, often visualized as the tree of life, encompasses a continuous branch of genetic information passed down through the ages. From archaea to eukaryotes, the first life forms were simple, single-celled organisms, which gave rise to an incredible diversity of life through the mechanisms of mutation, genetic drift, and natural selection. The genetic code, composed of approximately 3 billion base pairs in humans alone, reveals our shared heritage. Comparative genomics shows us that humans and fruit flies share about 60% of their DNA, emphasizing the common ancestries that bind all life forms together. The deeper we dive into our genomic sequences, the more we realize that we are not isolated entities, but parts of a grand continuum, where every branch on the tree of life holds significance. From the microscopic world of bacteria to the vast relationships seen in ecosystems, all living organisms, from insects to mammals, share a common ancestral lineage. This interconnectedness manifests not only through genetic similarities, but also through ecological relationships. Symbiotic interactions, such as those between pollinators and flowering plants, highlight the dependencies that drive evolutionary changes. The principle of common descent postulates that all species arise from previous species, an assertion supported by both fossil evidence and molecular data. For instance, the DNA sequences of humans and Neanderthals reveal they shared a common ancestor about 700,000 years ago, emphasizing the intricacies of our evolutionary history. The vast diversity we observe today, from the adaptability of tardigrades to the sophistication of cetaceans, originates from this intertwined lineage that spans billions of years. However, this lineage is not static. It encounters interruptions through death. In ecological terms, death is a critical component of life cycles, facilitating nutrient cycling and promoting biodiversity. The food web illustrates this concept, where energy flows from producers to various consumer levels, ultimately leading to decomposers who recycle organic matter back into the ecosystem. Predation, disease, and natural mortality not only balance populations, but also drive evolutionary pressures, ensuring the survival of the fittest. Consider biodiversity hotspots like the Amazon rainforest, where the fragility of ecosystems is illustrated by the loss of a single species, leading to cascading effects on others. Each organism's genetic lineage is not only a thread of its existence, but also a component of a larger ecological narrative. Within the context of the universe, life as we know it is astonishingly rare. Although there are approximately 100 billion galaxies in our observable universe, the conditions necessary for life, such as liquid water, an energy source, and stable chemical environments, seem to occur in a limited number of places. The discovery of extremophiles on Earth, organisms thriving in environments previously thought inhospitable, such as deep-sea hydrothermal vents, invites a broader discourse on the potential for life elsewhere. Contrasting the vibrant life on our planet, many exoplanets remain barren, isolated from the forces that foster biological diversity. The excitement surrounding missions to Mars and Europa stems from the hope of finding microbial life that could represent unique evolutionary adaptations, underscoring how extraordinary our planet is as a cradle of life. Yet, amidst our search for life so far beyond, we often disregard the richness of existence right beneath our feet. The irony lies in our propensity to harm other living beings perceived as inconvenient or bothersome. Insects, often labeled pests, play critical roles in ecosystems, pollinating crops and recycling nutrients. Yet our actions lead to mass exterminations, casting aside the delicate threads of life woven into our world. This disconnect prompts an urgent reflection. Why do we value life only in utility? The ongoing biodiversity crisis, which sees species disappearing at an alarming rate, challenges us to reevaluate our understanding of life's worth. Compounding this irony is humanity's tendency for internecine conflict wars waged over territory, ideology, and power. The loss of a single human life is in many ways the loss of a unique manifestation of consciousness, creativity, and emotional depth. As of 2023, the estimates of lives lost to conflicts number in the millions, an unfathomable tragedy when we consider that each individual carries a lifetime of experiences, knowledge, and potential. The uniqueness of intelligent life sets us apart in the universe, and our capacity for empathy should compel us to protect life, not extinguish it. Each conflict serves as a potent reminder of the dark recesses of human nature, but also of our responsibility to rise above primitive impulses. In summary, the preciousness of life is illuminated against the backdrop of our vast, desolate universe. Each organism, whether a humble bacterium or a complex mammal, embodies millions of years of evolutionary history. Understanding this interconnectedness enriches our perspective on life's fragility and significance. As we continue our quest for life beyond Earth, let us also strive to cherish and protect the rich tapestry of life that exists here. Let's foster respect for all living beings and recognize that every life is an irreplaceable thread in the tapestry of existence. Together, we can honor this remarkable continuum and ensure that the lineage of life continues to flourish. Thank you for tuning in. If this exploration of life's preciousness resonated with you, please hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for our next video, where we dive deeper into the mysteries of life and the universe.